Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
A solid green light on your water heater means it's powered and heating, but it doesn't guarantee everything is perfect. Issues like sediment buildup or thermostat faults won't trigger the light but can affect performance. Regular maintenance and checking water temperature are essential to keep your heater truly in good shape.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.